Love is a complex personal experience that takes many forms in relationships. While most think of romantic love first, love can also be felt for friends, family, and pets. It involves caring deeply for someone because you chose to, not out of obligation. In a loving relationship, you value each other's opinions, respect boundaries, and communicate openly. Remember, being together 24/7 isn't love, it's attachment. Consent, emotional connection, mutual support, trust, unconditional love, and healthy conflict resolution are all key aspects of a loving relationship. Real love allows both partners to flourish independently and, as a couple, pushing each other to be their best selves. Love takes time to develop and maintain, requiring a conscious decision to stay committed through life's challenges. Falling in love is a beautiful experience that can lead to deeper, long-lasting love and commitment.